This man is about to fly a weird plane. But this plane has a special value for him. He has built this plane all by himself. This amazing French inventor built it over the course of 6 years. And finally, it's time to test his amazing masterpiece. His friend is helping him start off the engine. And he's about to fly his plane at Aerodrome in France. Well, finger crossed, because nobody knows if it's gonna work or not. Here we go. He heads his plane to the runway for the takeoff. Finally, after some tries, the plane takes off. The plane wobbled a bit in the start, but goes fine. Quite an achievement for this inventor. The flight was a total success. He lands back safely on the ground. What he just did is incredible. It was a risk of his life, and he took it anyway.